I just got this, a Ruger new model Blackhawk. I've never shot it, never shot one before. Have some Fiachi, 142 grain, 357 Magnum. Alright, I think I'll probably wear my big earphones. This thing is probably pretty loud. I'm gonna shoot that bottom target just to see where it's hitting. Alright. I don't see where it's hitting. Flush across the top. One more. Yeah, I think that was it. Yeah. That was my little 22. I just shot it. These are the 357. So it's shooting to the right. I was going with two different sight pictures. Flush across the top and putting the front sight down in the groove. I don't know where the other ones are. That one, maybe that one and that one. They look kind of new. I'll do it again. Doesn't really kick that bad. I was expecting more. We're at 7 yards. I'm not even gonna do the timer. Hold it left just a little bit. I think that was it. Not sure if those are misses right there or not. Just for the heck of it, I have 3 38 special hollow point plus P, and I think these are 125 grain hollow point 357, and I have these last two. I think that weird shape on the bullet was causing the casing to hang up on something in the Browning. It's a lot smoother on these 38s. There's nothing there to grab. These are buffalo bore, and they're actually crimped in a little bit, so it's really smooth across there, and the geometry of the bullet is different. Come on, there. See the angle on that bullet? And then the casing is sticking out. It's smooth on these buffalo bore. I think these are buffalo bore. I'm gonna load those up. Not even using the rod. Oh, and they're coming out. Oh, get back here. Alright, what shall I do? I'll put a couple of these, the last of these Fiachi, then we'll put the buffalo bore, and finish up with the 38 special. Alright, so where do I go? How about right there, I think. Alright, cock that back down. I think that was it. Oh yeah, jerk, did you see that? 2.5 inch, 3 inch maybe. Okay, that's fun. It is shooting to the right just a little bit. I'll have to, luckily these sights are adjustable. Right there, windage. Alright, cool. So that was fun and new. I like it. Glad I got it.